Hey guys, it's Michael. NIO just announced on Thursday, October 29th, 2020 that they reached a key production milestone of its 5,000th electric vehicle produced in the month of October alone, and this is the first time that NIO has ever exceeded 5,000 cars produced in one month. On top of this, Morgan Stanley just came out and upgraded NIO's stock and raised its price target by 66%. So in today's video, I'm going to go over what is going on with NIO's record production numbers and new technology they just announced. Then we're going to go over Morgan Stanley's price target increase and what they said about the company moving into the future. And finally, at the end of the video, we're going to go over a price prediction for NIO and whether it is still a good buy or not. And if you enjoy this sort of content, well then please be sure to like the video down below and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out a lot. So, NIO has had a ton of good news come out over the past few weeks, and now the company just hit a key production milestone of 5,000 cars produced in the month of October. This is the first time that NIO has ever reached this milestone, and on top of this, NIO also reported recently that it is currently working on an in-house self-driving chip for their cars, and they have been growing at a rapid pace. NIO's 5,000 car in 1 month production milestone comes a day after Morgan Stanley raised its earnings forecast and price target for NIO, which they call the Tesla of China. Morgan Stanley said that the hikes in their price target were driven mainly by better than expected Q3 deliveries and a more visible growth outlook for NIO moving forward. They explained how the pace of NIO's progress in achieving its strategic and investment ambitions is tracking ahead of our expectations on all fronts. Morgan Stanley analyst goes on to explain that NIO is a strong EV leader in the making. And while the firm does expect China EV competition to intensify dramatically in 2021, it still believes that the incumbents and new entrants will struggle to replicate what NIO is doing in their diverse strategy. NIO has the battery as a service model, which differentiates them from nearly every single EV maker. They're also starting to make their own self-driving chips, and they're already a major player in China. On top of this, the report also explains how they look for NIO to reinforce its top position through superior volume scale, good spectrum of model/market coverage, self-driving technologies, and diversification into power solutions. So they're saying they're looking for them to be more than just an electric car company, more along the lines of what Tesla is doing. So now let's go on to the stock. Between the news of Morgan Stanley's upgrade and their record production numbers, NIO is up significantly in the last couple of weeks and is hovering right between the $29 to $30 price right now. JP Morgan currently has a price target for NIO at $40 per share, and Morgan Stanley just came out and increased theirs by 66% to now have a price target of $33 per share. However, NIO has a significant amount of room to go up from there. As I've said in previous videos, I think that NIO could easily hit a price target of $135 per share in the next 3 to 5 years. And that would be a 4.5 times return from where it is right now. So with NIO having record sales numbers, hitting a production milestone of 5,000 vehicles in 1 month, growing at an unbelievable pace, they are definitely on track to be a dominant EV company in China, especially with the support they're going to get from the Chinese government. So ultimately, right now, I think NIO may seem expensive to some people at $30 per share, considering how much NIO has gone up recently, but essentially, I still think it is a great buy for the long term because they are just getting started and they have a lot more room to grow. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.